Now what you're watching, what you're seeing behind me, now pipe then they lay. Now you go ask where this pipe they come from and where this pipe they go. This pipe is coming from Brass, Bayelsa State, all the way to Morocco. If you know here I'm again, Morocco. This is thousands of kilometers, all from Brass down to Morocco, to siphon gas all the way to Morocco from Bayelsa. And the funny thing here is, this particular contract was signed in 2022, and yet nobody for the community, they are aware. None of them, they are aware. Say they don't mortgage waiting they underneath their ground. Why? Because of one Nigeria. Because for one Nigeria, anything with any resource with it underneath your ground belongs to the federal government. Let's be sincere about this. Is this fair? No benefit whatsoever, no opportunity whatsoever, no financial gain whatsoever. This is a project that is being financed by the Islamic Bank, a project of over the tune of $20 billion. Because if you talk through, then go say it inside. But the truth has to be said. Any which way, the truth must be said. More than $20 billion, and yet the community, maybe at the end of the day, they'll start to suffer gas flaring. No benefit from them. But it's not about even the benefit, it's about the secrecy involved in the project. Fly for the community, no. Does that make sense? Now, if these boys within this community decide revolt this injustice, then go carry one name, give them. Proscribed, militant. Yet, now our leaders find their trouble. Now our government find their trouble. Most cases, nobody go even want to hear their own side of the story. The other day for Brekete, that's Human Rights Radio, there was a revelation there that Buhari has already sold the crude oil up front to certain countries. That was why Dangote was having issue with crude supply, because Buhari has sold this thing up front. This na man will say he come to fight corruption, and his government happens to be the most corrupt government in the history of Nigeria. You go place like Zamfara, then get gold there, but no interference. Not them, they collect their gold themselves. Still mount men on the side, make it be said, and they call them saying na insurgency. I be wait, just to pursue anybody where one come, make them they suck their thing themselves. But yet crude within Niger Delta belongs to the country. With situations like this, it's either we start to insinuate or we will start to come into certain conclusions. Because for me right now, I don't come into conclusions why restructuring, some set of people find this restructuring very difficult. And I don't know it in the inside the restructuring. Simple, make people get the resource control, that's it. Some certain people don't want to make other people get control over their resources. Does that make sense? Then they don't even say they even give you peanuts. This one say they sideline you. See, the project is ongoing. Project don't start go far before people they realize within they go on. A pipe then delay so. From waiting you they see now, you suppose they like say they don't even pass by house herself. Maybe now they don't they head Chad. Or maybe they don't they head Cotonou or Liberia or Togo. Who knows? Man, we really need to renegotiate this amalgamation, our coming together. Make everybody get say within the happen for in place. Man, peace. But if we have to pull up as one, man, we need to renegotiate this thing. After all, the amalgamation has expired. True.
In-depth analysis.